Hi everyone, welcome to the very first video on ServiceNow Teach Me To channel. And the purpose of this channel that I am starting here, if you are completely new to ServiceNow or if you have been working on it or still feeling like you are just winging it half the time, you have found your channel or you have found your people. This channel is not about me acting like a teacher or a professor who knows like I'm not pro in service now. I have just started and it's been 4 years with the service now. I'm doing majorly development, and apart from that I'm not pro, I am also learning. Yeah, let's learn together, revise together, and honestly sometimes breaks and do ServiceNow implementations together. Today we will start from the very ground level. So what exactly is ServiceNow? Like, what is ServiceNow? And why companies are using it? Why companies are using ServiceNow? And how you can get a PDI, like a personal developer instance, PDI, where you can practice, do hands-on, and learn most of the things related to ServiceNow. That thing you can't do in a client instance, that is very risky. So let's start. What is ServiceNow? So the ServiceNow is like that. Imagine a company is having thousands of employees, and if there is something goes wrong, like a laptop is breaking or any HR issue or some technical server issue, then how it is getting fixed? Like previously we are sending emails, doing phone calls, or there are a lot of multiple chases to the related department. But with ServiceNow, it is a central nervous system that replaces that chaos. Like ServiceNow reduces manual efforts and chasing as well. Like we have to chase a particular department or particular person, and it take all those requests and structure them and route them to the right team automatically. So what happened when companies uses ServiceNow? Then the catalog item for a particular problem, there will be a catalog item. Catalog item has been created, or there is an incident. So if user is having some problem or having some request or want some service or something that related to his work, at that time he can raise incident if he is having any problem or facing any issue with his system, and if he required anything in catalog item, he can raise the request. Don't worry, we will cover this part later, but this is for the example where ServiceNow is aligning in the companies, and everything in ServiceNow is a table. So ServiceNow is a collection of table, we can say, and it is essentially a massive, incredibly or smart, beautifully connected database, and it is so flexible. We can build custom applications and automate practically anything a business needs. So let's start. What are the features that we have in a ServiceNow? Features of ServiceNow. So in ServiceNow we have ITSM. ITSM is a ticketing system which is fixing our technical queries, like fixing laptop. It is doing fixing laptop, any technical query, password resets or instance password reset, not instance but other, that tool we are using. And the other is HRSD. It is a HR tool, and here this is we are using for onboarding employees or offboarding or a payroll. This particular module we are using for the HR activities. And next we have CSM. CSM is a customer service management, and it is helping companies, external customer, to solve their issues. Like if my company is having clients and they are facing an issue, so they can raise a request, they can raise concern, or in CSM there is a chatbot also. They can chat with chatbot, and if that related information is helpful, then and they are okay, then that is fine. If not, then there is also a possibility, or there also a feature to raise incident or create request based on their request. So we can mark it as like helping the company's external users. Okay, and in we have App Engine as well. App Engine, this is for the developers, where they can create a app with low code or no code approach. We can't say ServiceNow is not using coding, but yeah, we have some functionalities, or like we can say we have some UI features where we can use low code or no code approach to meet the customer requirement. And apart from that, there is one myth. What is that myth related to ServiceNow? Like ServiceNow is ticketing tool. Hope you heard, like if you are working in ServiceNow and you are telling your friends or anyone, like yeah, I am working in ServiceNow, and they are saying how you can work in ServiceNow. ServiceNow is ticketing tool, and people are misconcepting like you are working in support. So that is a myth. ServiceNow is not a ticketing tool. Like it's not only the ticketing tool. Ticketing tool is a part of the ServiceNow. It is a very small part of it. So what is ServiceNow? ServiceNow is a platform where we customize, build solutions based on modules, ITSM or HRSD and CSM, like that. And nowadays ServiceNow is AI is also there in ServiceNow. Now assist, predictive intelligence, there are a lot of things we will learn in upcoming videos. So let's start. How can I get free PDI? As I mentioned, personal developer instance. So how can I get that? So for that, you have to go to developer.servicenow.com. I will mention this site link in description as well, so you have to visit this. Okay, yeah, once you visit, don't click on get started. I have also did the same mistake, but this is not the correct button for developers. So click on sign in, and in sign in, if you already have account, like if you have already created account on any email, then you can go with that, or you can get new user like that. If you are a new user, here you can fill up your informations and sign up. Now you have one account for PDI. So we'll continue in a next video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this help you, and if I am doing any mistakes, or I am missing anything, or whatever, you can give me feedback as well, what needs to improve. Thank you so much.